Hello, hi, it's Liz here and it's WhatNot day. So the little WhatNot book is out and we are at number 25. There it was last week's with our vellum belly band. Pleased with how that one turned out. I know quite a few of you enjoyed that one. Yeah, so we are on to this page now and we are going to do another belly band. Another super easy one to fit on this page here and to keep another little journaling card in. This cute one here with the little suitcases. We'll make a little straightforward belly band for this. So I have some scrap pieces here. This is a book page and from a paper bag, from some donuts and a piece of wallpaper. So we are going to do 2 splits in the pieces. So you want to cut them so that they fit your page and then broad enough that you can put 2 splits in. So mine are, well, this one is 5.5 centimeters, which is 2 1/4 inches. I've already put my first cut in this one just to make sure my old knife was working. I don't have one of the fancy ones. This was just a wee cheap one because I don't really get on with knives, with these cutting knives, but this is just a straight line. So I'm going to cut it in about 1 centimetre, and you want to make your cut just long enough for your card or whatever you're keeping in behind your band for it to slide in. So we'll do the same, about 1 centimetre in. Yeah, about there. I've got this old cutting mat out and we want to do it kind of straight, and we'll do it about there to there, not going right to the ends. And this wallpaper, I find you need to do 2 or 3 times. There we are. So I have 2 splits like this. We're doing the splits. And the theory is that it goes on just like a normal belly band. Across there and across there is how we're going to attach it on. And then this just slides in there like that. So you can have one thing there and one card at the back behind if you wanted. I've only got one card out just now, or you could attach down the sides as well. Let me just get that in. You could attach it down like where the slits are, like on the other side of the slits, and just leave this piece open. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, we'll do the other 2. How easy is this? I'm hoping this brown paper isn't too thin to use this cheap blade, which tends to scrunch up a bit if it's anything thin. More or less straight. There we are. So from about there to there, just so that we can that did it not too badly. And the other side. Of course, you can decorate them up as well. you could stitch round. You could decorate up this middle section. So again, that just slides in and that just attaches on. I think that's quite cool. I quite like that one. Yeah. Okay, let's do this last one, which is book page. Now, do I want the pencils or do I want the jar and the keys and the hammer? I quite like the pencils. Don't suppose it matters for this cut because you're cutting the same. It'll turn out the same on either side. Right, is this one a bit broader? Will we make our slits? It just feels broader. Yes, it is. This one's a little bit broader, so maybe we'll make our slits 2 centimetres in and have a narrower bit in the middle. How does that sound? I wonder if that will work. Let me just get my thing. Right, so we want to cut it just above where the pencil panel and just below. Oh, this is, oh, there it is. This is thicker paper. Right, so that is 2 centimetres in and 2 centimetres here. About there. That's quite nice with the narrower band. We're done with the ruler. Let's see. Yeah, the narrow band is quite nice. So you can make your band in the middle, any size, any width that you fancy. Now, which one will we put in the book? I quite like the paper bag. I think it shows up the little card and matches the background a little bit. Although the wallpaper's good as well. No, I'm liking this. Now, the next question is, are we going to glue it down so that it's just a straightforward one thing, or are we going to glue it so that, I think I'm going to glue the sides for this one. I think I'm going to glue it right round. That should work, shouldn't it? If that's all stuck down, yeah, that's still that bit open. Yeah. Okay, let's get this down. So we'll just keep that in so that I know which bits I'm gluing. Like that, and then up there. I think I got a little bit on the card, but we'll sort that. There we are. So we want to glue that, and we want to glue that. Just take a wee minute. There we are. Yeah, happy with that. And we've got 2 for the box for another time. So that's number 25. I think I need a wee bit more glue there. I'll not be able to get in, whoops, with that. Let's just squirt a little bit in. Oops, we've got a crease. That's okay. There we are. That's better. Right, I'm going to leave it there, and that's WhatNot number 25. So, thanks for joining me today. If you've enjoyed the video, a thumbs up would be great, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.